Oh my gosh, what's that? Is that real beef? Today, I'm gonna teach you how to ruin your art in 5 seconds. Just kidding. We're going to draw a girl with expired beef. Watch till the end for the final result. Welcome to Cute Girl's illustration. First, we are doing a quick draft of her facial structures. So we are drawing the eyes. Then draw another line on the top. Draw a circle to allocate her nose and mark the 2 holes. Then 2 lines for her nostrils. For her lips, I'm drawing the circles to create the juicy textures. Then I'm gonna contour her lips. I love the eyelashes part. Don't forget the lower lashes as well. Then her eyebrows. And I'm measuring the ears to make sure that they are on the same level. Finally, it's coloring time! I'm adding some basic skin tones as contour. Those should be the shades of the face. So basically, I'm applying shades on the under eyes, side of the face to make it look more 3D, and on the nostrils, because when the nose is pointed and raised, there will be shadows on the side. And I'm adding reddish tones to make her face look more alive. I'm adding it to her under eyes, nose tip, and chin. That's where her skin is the thinnest. Then I'm gonna take a clean and wet brush to blend them. Ooh, look, her face is getting smoother. There goes her hair. Hairline check! Oops, I guess I'll have to give her a bit more hair to hide her huge forehead. Now I'm getting the expired beef from the fridge. Look at the date, it's March. No one is eating this and it's expired. The texture feels weird. It's like clay with a lot of water. And the little beef inside feels like half-cooked rice. We make a fluffy, classy brown headband for her. And then a fluffy brown cloth as well. Is there such a thing? I looked up on the internet. It actually looks so cool and cozy. It also matches with the headband. Now let me add more decorations to her clothes. And let's not waste the cover of the beef as well. Ooh, I love how this pink looks on her. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe for more. Also, feel free to share with someone who might be having an art block or may like this idea.